Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off web and app activity on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off web and app activities on Google Maps application, first open up the Google Maps on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here you can see here it says at the bottom of the screen your data in maps, just above the settings. Tap on your data in maps, and when this loads, guys, scroll down a little bit and you can see the third option where it says web and app activity. In order to turn it off, you can see currently it is turned on. In order to turn it off, tap on it and an interface will load, and let's wait for it. Over here, if you scroll down, you can see there is the turn off button available for us. In order to turn it off or disable it, tap on the turn off button and tap on the turn off again. And with that being done, guys, tap on got it, and okay, again tap on got it. And with that being done, guys, your web and app activity on Google Maps will be turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off web and app activity on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.